India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024 notification out for 4428 Gramin Dak Sevak GDS posts. India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. The Indian Post Office has released the latest notification for the recruitment of 4428 posts of Gramin Dak Sevak GDS vacancy. Eligible candidates can apply for the India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024-25 from the official website at indiapost.gov.in starting from 15th July 2024. All details related to India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024 are given below. India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024 Overview. Name of organization: Indian Post Office. Last date: 5th August 2024. Total vacancies: 44,228. Posts. Name of the post: Gramin Dak Sevak GDS. Mode of application: online. Category: Central Government Jobs. Job location: All India. Official website: at indiapost.nic.in. India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024 vacancy details. Name of the post: Gramin Dak Sevak GDS. Total number of posts: 44,202 posts. UR 19,862 posts. OBC 8,028 posts. SC 5,848 posts. ST 4,800 posts. EWS 4,330 posts. GDS eligibility criteria. Age limit: India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. The candidates should not be less than 18 years of age and not more than 40 years of age as on 1st January 2024. For ST candidates, 5 years plus. For SC candidates, 5 years plus. For OBC candidates, 3 years plus. Educational qualification: India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. Secondary school examination pass certificate of 10th standard having passed in mathematics and English, having been studied as compulsory or elective subjects, conducted by any recognized board of school education by the Government of India. State governments, union territories in India shall be a mandatory educational qualification for all approved categories of GDS. The applicant should have studied the local language, i.e., name of local language, at least up to secondary standard as compulsory or elective subjects. Other qualification: knowledge of computers, knowledge of cycling, and adequate means of livelihood. Application fee: India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. General, OBC, EWS candidate, 100 rupees. SC, ST, PWD, and female candidate. No application fee. Payment mode: online. Selection process: India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. The applicants will be shortlisted for engagement on the basis of a system-generated merit list. The merit list will be prepared on the basis of marks obtained, conversion of grades points to marks in the secondary school examination of 10th standard of approved boards, aggregated to percentage to the accuracy of 4 decimals. Passing all the subjects as per the respective approved board norms is mandatory. How to apply for India Post Office GDS Recruitment? Interested and eligible candidates can apply online for India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024 by visiting the official recruitment portal. They can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Scroll down, go to the description and comment box section. Step 2. Click on the online application link from link. Step 3. A new web page will open. Step 4. Enter all your personal and educational details as required. Step 5. Upload your passport size photograph and signature and other required documents. Step 6. Pay the application fee as per your category and finally click on the submit button. Step 7. Don't forget to take the print of the submitted application from. Important dates of India Post Office GDS Recruitment 2024. Notification released date 12th July 2024. Starting date of apply online 15th July 2024. Closing date of apply online 5th August 2024. Application correction date 5th August 2024. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.